Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Thousands of stars dot the darkness, each one is a distant sun. Now imagine billions more, so many that they blend together. This river of light is our Milky Way galaxy. For centuries, humans could only wonder about this band of light. We had no idea how big it was or what it truly was. Were we at the center of it all? Or just a small part of something much grander? Early astronomers used simple tools to study the sky. They tracked the movements of stars and planets. They recorded their findings, slowly building a picture of the cosmos. Little did they know they were taking the first steps in a journey of galactic discovery. Before telescopes, people had different ideas about the Milky Way. The night sky with its myriad of stars has always fascinated humanity. Long before the advent of modern science, ancient civilizations gazed up at the heavens and crafted stories and theories to explain the shimmering band of light that we now know as the Milky Way. Some ancient cultures saw it as a celestial river or a pathway for gods. In many mythologies, this luminous band was thought to be a bridge or a road that connected the earthly realm to the divine. For instance, in ancient Greek mythology, it was often referred to as the Road of the Gods, a celestial pathway that deities used to traverse the heavens. Others believed it was a giant serpent or a dragon stretching across the heavens. In Chinese mythology, the Milky Way was seen as the Silver River, and it was often depicted as a celestial dragon. Similarly, in various other cultures, serpents and dragons were common motifs, symbolizing the mysterious and powerful forces of the cosmos. Greek philosophers were among the first to study the Milky Way systematically. They sought to understand its nature through observation and reasoning. Philosophers like Anaxagoras and Democritus proposed that the Milky Way was composed of countless stars, a revolutionary idea for their time. They proposed that it was made up of countless stars. This hypothesis was based on their observations of the night sky, where they noticed that the Milky Way appeared to be a dense cluster of stars, too numerous to count. However, they lacked the tools to prove their theories. Without telescopes, their observations were limited to what they could see with the naked eye. Despite their innovative ideas, they couldn't provide concrete evidence to support their claims. They also believed that Earth was the center of the universe. This geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center of all celestial movements, was widely accepted and influenced astronomical thought for centuries. This geocentric view would persist for centuries. It wasn't until the Renaissance that this model was seriously challenged by astronomers like Copernicus, who proposed a heliocentric model with the sun at the center. During the Middle Ages, astronomers continued to observe the night sky. They meticulously charted the positions of stars and planets, contributing to a growing body of astronomical knowledge. They made detailed maps of the stars, but the true nature of the Milky Way remained a mystery. Despite their efforts, the lack of advanced observational tools meant that many questions about the cosmos remained unanswered. It wasn't until the invention of the telescope that our understanding began to change. With this revolutionary tool, astronomers like Galileo could observe the Milky Way in unprecedented detail, revealing that it was indeed composed of countless stars, thus transforming our comprehension of the universe. In the 18th century, a musician-turned-astronomer named William Herschel revolutionized our view of the Milky Way. Born in Germany in 1738, Herschel initially pursued a career in music, becoming a talented composer and musician. However, his curiosity about the cosmos led him to a new passion: astronomy. Using powerful telescopes he built himself, Herschel embarked on an ambitious project to map the distribution of stars in the night sky. His telescopes were among the most advanced of his time, allowing him to see further and more clearly than any of his contemporaries. This gave him a unique advantage in his astronomical observations. Herschel meticulously counted stars in different directions. He spent countless nights under the stars, carefully recording the number of stars he could see in various parts of the sky. This painstaking work required immense patience and dedication, but Herschel was determined to uncover the secrets of the universe. He noticed that the density of stars increased along the plane of the Milky Way. This observation was crucial, as it suggested that the stars were not randomly distributed but rather concentrated in a specific region of the sky. Herschel's findings challenged the prevailing view of the universe and opened up new possibilities for understanding our galaxy. This suggested that our galaxy was a flattened disk-like structure, and that our sun resided within this disk. Herschel's work provided the first evidence that the Milky Way was not a simple, uniform collection of stars, but a complex and dynamic system with a distinct shape and structure. His observations also led him to believe that the sun was not at the center of the Milky Way. This was a revolutionary idea at the time, as many astronomers still believed that the Earth and the Sun occupied a central position in the universe. Herschel's work helped to shift this perspective and paved the way for future discoveries. He proposed that the center of the galaxy lay in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, where the stars appeared most densely packed. This was another groundbreaking insight, as it suggested that the Milky Way had a specific orientation and structure, with a central region that was distinct from the rest of the galaxy. Herschel's work laid the foundation for our modern understanding of the Milky Way. His meticulous observations and innovative ideas provided a new framework for studying the galaxy, and his contributions continue to influence astronomers to this day. He demonstrated that our galaxy had a definite shape and structure, and that our sun occupied a position within this vast stellar system. Herschel's legacy is a testament to the power of curiosity and perseverance, and his groundbreaking work remains a cornerstone of modern astronomy. In the early 20th century, astronomer Harlow Shapley made a groundbreaking discovery that further expanded our understanding of the Milky Way. Shapley, a prominent figure in the field of astronomy, embarked on a quest to unravel the mysteries of our galaxy. His work would eventually lead to a paradigm shift in how we perceive our place in the cosmos. By studying the distribution of globular clusters, dense groups of stars orbiting the galactic center, Shapley was able to estimate the size of our galaxy and our position within it. These globular clusters, which are spherical collections of stars bound together by gravity, served as cosmic markers that Shapley meticulously analyzed. Shapley observed that globular clusters were not evenly distributed in the sky. Instead, they seemed to be concentrated in certain areas, hinting at a larger structure that was not yet fully understood. This uneven distribution was a crucial clue that would guide Shapley in his groundbreaking research. They appeared to cluster around a specific region in the constellation Sagittarius. This observation was pivotal, as it suggested that the center of the Milky Way might be located in this region. The constellation Sagittarius, with its dense star fields, became a focal point for Shapley's studies. He correctly deduced that this region marked the center of the Milky Way. This was a revolutionary idea at the time, as it challenged the prevailing notion that the Sun was at the center of the galaxy. Shapley's insight into the true center of the Milky Way was a monumental step forward in our understanding of the cosmos. By measuring the distances to these globular clusters, Shapley calculated that the Milky Way was much larger than previously thought. He employed a variety of techniques, including the use of variable stars known as Cepheids, to determine these distances with remarkable accuracy. He estimated its diameter to be about 100,000 light-years, a vast distance that dwarfed earlier estimates. This new measurement revealed the true scale of our galaxy, showcasing its immense size and complexity. He also determined that our Sun was not located at the center of the galaxy, but rather about 2/3 of the way out from the center. This finding was a humbling revelation, as it placed our solar system in a more modest position within the grand structure of the Milky Way. Shapley's work revolutionized our understanding of the Milky Way. His meticulous research and groundbreaking discoveries provided a new framework for studying our galaxy and its place in the universe. The implications of his work extended far beyond the Milky Way, influencing our understanding of other galaxies as well. He revealed that our galaxy was a truly immense structure and that our sun occupied a relatively unremarkable position within it. This realization shifted our perspective, highlighting the vastness of the cosmos and our small place within it. Shapley's contributions to astronomy continue to be celebrated as they laid the foundation for future explorations and discoveries in the field. Shapley's journey was not without its challenges. The technology of his time was limited, and he had to rely on painstaking observations and calculations. Despite these obstacles, his determination and innovative approach allowed him to make significant strides in our understanding of the Milky Way. Today, modern astronomers continue to build on Shapley's legacy, using advanced telescopes and instruments to explore the far reaches of our galaxy and beyond. His pioneering work serves as a testament to the power of curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Milky Way, with its vast array of stars, planets, and other celestial objects, remains a subject of fascination and study. Thanks to Harlow Shapley's groundbreaking research, we have a deeper appreciation for the complexity and grandeur of our galaxy. His contributions have left an indelible mark on the field of astronomy, inspiring generations of scientists to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe. Harlow Shapley's legacy endures, reminding us of the importance of perseverance and innovation in the quest for knowledge. His work not only expanded our understanding of the Milky Way, but also paved the way for future discoveries that continue to shape our view of the cosmos. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the profound impact that one determined astronomer can have on our understanding of the universe.